Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin and today I'm going to show you how to use the Perspective Warp tool to straighten objects in Photoshop. This is a tool I use often to adjust images of my own artwork. So do me a solid and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial. Alright, so here I have an image of an art object that I made, which you can download from the YouTube description. And if you pull out some guides, you will see that the image is really not very straight. So let's pull out 4 guides and line them up to the 4 sides of the frame. And if you zoom in, you will start to see some of the gaps and realize that the image is not straight or level. Once you have your 4 guides showing you where your image is supposed to be, we're going to temporarily hide the guides by clicking Command or Control semicolon on your keyboard. Now go to Edit, Perspective Warp, and in the options bar, you're going to see that layout is selected, which is what we want. So now let's click and drag to make a selection. It doesn't need to be perfect, but once you have this crop box, I want you to zoom in. And we're going to adjust the layout by pinning these points to each corner of the frame of the artwork. Once that's done, go ahead and hit Command semicolon again to show your guides. Now go back to the Options panel and at the top change Layout to Warp. Now that we've set our layout, we can warp the image by dragging each point to line up with the guides that we've already created. When you're done, hit the check mark at the top. While at first glance this may look good, we're going to double check this by grabbing our solid color adjustment layer. And I'm going to add a lime green adjustment layer beneath the layer. I'm doing this so that you can see the small areas in the corners where some green is showing through, so we're going to need to fill in those gaps. So to do that, make sure you have your image layer selected. Grab any selection tool you want and make a selection over the gaps you want to fill, and then go to Edit, Fill, and make sure you have the content set to Content Aware and hit OK. And do that for every area you need to fill. All right, there you have it. We've straightened out the image. As an artist, I use this tool a lot to straighten images of my own artwork. However, this is also a great tool for architectural photographers needing to straighten buildings. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week. Thanks and have a fantastic day.